Well, hello, my beautiful Aries people. How are you today? First of all, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate your constant, support and love that you have given me. I really appreciate that so much. Okay, and I see that the subscribers are increasing on a daily basis, and I really like that. Thank you so much. So today I am going to do a general reading for my luminous tribe, which is Aries, for the star sign, sun sign, zodiac sign, whatever sign that you would like to call it. It's Aries. So if you Google your date of birth, that's the date of birth, your month, okay, and the sign that comes up. If it's Aries, then this is a reading for you. First of all, while I was meditating before the reading, the general overall message that I have got for a lot of you is, to be in balance. I don't know why the word balance just struck uh, before I could start this video, and I thought about you as a star sign. I understand that Aries is a very bright sign. I mean, you think from your heart, you think from the rage that you have. You do not let anything unfinished. If you start a business, you have to end it. So while you're doing so, please continue doing it in balance, because at this point in time what you require is a balance. It should not always be give. Sometimes you have to have a hand to receive as well, because if you're always giving, you are telling the universe that I am only here to give. So you need to reach out to also receive in return. Okay, so the yin and yang situation. So you need to try and maintain a balance for this month of March, is what I was getting as a very strong sign from the universe or from the spirit guides while I was meditating. Okay, so I'm going to quickly pick a overall energy for you. Then we will be doing your career for the month of March. We will be doing what's coming in relationship and overall guidance from the angels and oracle messages. All right. So without further ado, let's start. And also, it's not gender specific, so please feel free to reverse the energies. All right, and do comment if it resonates. Please give me the love that I deserve. Okay, I am stretching my hand out to receive that love from you. All right. Okay, so while I was shuffling, the first card that came out was healing. Do you see this? Let me read this out for you. It says, take a step back, breathe. Everything is how it is meant to be. Give yourself time. So this is talking about healing yourself first before you are reaching out to help somebody else. You need to take a step back and you need to heal. You need to just take a moment there and breathe. Live in the present moment. Give yourself the time that you deserve. I understand that you may be swamped with work. There's a lot of people who require your advices and opinions, and that's okay. It's okay to be the most wanted person right now, but you also need to heal yourself. As it's very rightly said, when you are traveling by plane, that if in case of um, there is an emergency or in case of shortage of oxygen in the cabin, please wear your mask first, your oxygen mask, before you could, you know, ensure that somebody else next to you has the oxygen mask. So that's the message that we have for you here. Okay, let's quickly check in terms of tarot. So all these cards are pre-shuffled. However, I just like to shuffle once in front of the camera for you guys, for you my lovely Aries. All right, so let's check it out, what's happening in career. Let me pull out 3 cards for you. We have Ace of Wands. That's your energy, which is the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It's a fire energy, so that's great. We have Ace of Wands, the first card. Beautiful. Okay, there is a strong new beginning for a lot of you. Oh, we have Ace of Cups. We have 2 aces, so that's nice. Wow, what a beautiful reading. It's starting so amazing. I'm liking it already. Okay, let's pick one more and see what's happening. Too many fell off. 1 second. and then we have the death card. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, page of pentacles. So this is for your overall energy for career. Okay, um I think you know that are strongly looking for a new beginning. Now this may not resonate with all of you, but with whoever it resonates with, you are strongly looking for a new beginning. You're looking for something which is giving you the pleasure, which does not only give you the pain kind of situation in your career, right? So there has to be an ending. Death card generally doesn't really mean, or it's a bad card. In fact, it's a great card, I feel, in the deck. In fact, in the tarot deck, there are no good cards. There are always a message for you. So this means an ending of something which is definitely going to be a new beginning of something that you are very strongly looking for. But whatever you're looking for now, that you head to, you're going to head with all your passion and all your emotion, right? All your passion and all your emotion, because what you need at the end of the day is balance. Okay, I'm coming back to what I said earlier. What you need at the end of the day is balance, and what you need is your money flowing in. So you definitely have your money flowing in with something like a project that's not working out, or some situation that's not helping you out. You're going to just take a strong decision. You're going to say no, no, no to that, and you're going to move on with full force, with everything, right? That's the message that I get for career. Okay, let's quickly pick one from this tarot deck for relationship. So what do you expect, or what to expect in the month of March? Okay. Two of winter. You're indecisive. You're indecisive at this point in time. You're kind of juggling. Maybe you're juggling with work, hence you're not able to give time to the relationship that you're seeking for, or you have a one and many option at this point in time. You kind of feel trapped sometimes, like, am I supposed to be in this relationship? Am I not? That trappy kind of situation. So you want to get out of that trappy situation. That is what you're looking for, but you got to make a choice, because right now it says juggling between two situations right now. Maybe your headspace is not in relationship. Maybe your headspace is totally at work, because you are looking for a new beginning. That's what you're looking for. So that's a possibility. Let me just pick one more card to understand. Oh, okay. There is number 20. There is renewal, which is good. It's like a judgment. So you're going to review your past mistakes. If you want to head for a really strong relationship, first what you're going to do is you're going to review your past mistakes, right? You're going to see, you're going to assess what has happened, what was correct, what was not. It's a possibility for the ones who are seeking for a relationship. I'm talking about that. And then you would like a nice new bright future with understanding, with the love, with everything that you deserve is what you want. So you have a checklist in your mind. You don't want to go low, you just don't want to go low. This is where you've built your image, and this is where you wanted to stop it up. You don't want to go low. So that's the situation that you're going to be in relationship. Let me just pick one more card from these handmade little cards that I have, because we are picking up different several energies here. So to whoever it resonates, right? Okay. Oh, it says passion and romance. See, you are a passionate person, right? You're not going to settle for anything less. So you are feeling, your feelings are worth exploring. Allow your heart to sing joyful songs of desire, fun, fulfillment, and fire. Let it flow. So whatever you're looking for something absolutely passionate, right? Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Perfect. Okay, let's take some angel guidance as well. What are our angels guiding out here, my Aries friends? Wow, that was really nice. Okay, so what's happening? What's the guidance? So this is just a general guidance from my angels, which says not the right time. There is something that you are looking for. Maybe it's not the right time at this point in time. Maybe there's a divine timing that you have to wait for. I have a feeling that's for career, maybe, but you would know better. So comment and let me know, what do you think? Let me pick another card from our angels. What guidance do they have here for you? It says forgiveness. I think there is somebody who, oops, oopsie, what just happened? I think there is somebody who seeks your forgiveness, or you are seeking somebody's forgiveness, or maybe you're ready to forgive and move on situation. So whoever it resonates with, I think this is a very specific energy that I'm picking up right now. It says that you need to forgive. It also helps you in your karmic situation. Sometimes forgiveness is just not for the opposite person, it's also for yourself. If there has been some um, I don't know, misunderstandings in your job, your career, your friendship, your romantic relationship, maybe it's time that you heal. You get this healing back in your life. Where's that card gone? Yeah, that healing situation. How do you heal? How do you quantify what's the healing for you? What's the magnitude, or when does that healing synergy meet? How do you do that, right? That's when you feel that forgiveness for yourself and for others. And there is no what do I say, there is no right or wrong. I mean, just it says like, if I need to say sorry to someone, I wouldn't become the smaller person here, but neither will I become the bigger person. You're getting my point? There's no ego in forgiveness. So if you're going to forgive somebody thinking that, oh my god, I've taken the higher road, no, 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 no. Forgiveness is forgiveness. There's no higher road or lower road. It's for your healing, right? It's for your karmic cycle to end. So there is a forgiveness that is pending. Maybe you are seeking a forgiveness, or you need to forgive some situation or someone. So that's a very strong message I get for some of my Aries friends. Let me check from the Power of Love Oracle deck. What's the message for you? I hope you're liking the reading so far, because I'm enjoying your reading. And if you do, please comment. I would really, really appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, tolerance. Wow. There's a forgiveness and there's a tolerance. What are we talking about? Okay. You appreciate other points of view because you sense the love in everyone. So if that's you, what's holding you to forgive someone? Right? If you appreciate other points of view because you sense love in everyone, then why not forgive everyone? Right? It's like it's universe's way of saying that, you got it in your heart, baby. You got it in your heart. But why are you not doing it? What's the problem? Yeah. You need healing this month of March. For whoever it's resonating, you need to be in that balance. Healing, balance, ending something that does not serve you right, moving on with full force, going for that passion and romance is your overall energy that I get at this point in time. Before I go, I'm going to leave you with another oracle deck, which is the Keepers of Light Oracle deck. I just love this. This gives you this profound messages from God, goddesses, spirit guides who are here to help you. So let's see what our spirit guides gonna help you with. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, it is Archangel Michael. Don't we all love him? Trusting heaven, you are safe, okay? Angel stands close. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. The miracle that you're looking for, allow that miracle to occur. And look at the heart. Look at this blue stone at the heart. Look at the angels. Look at the wings. Maybe you're seeing a lot of feathers, birds chirping around at this point in time, feeding birds kind of situation. You like this color. You're liking this whole purple and red vibe going on right now. You're going through a lot of synchronicity. That's a possibility. You may be smelling some good food around you just in the middle of the night. Archangel Michael is here to guide you. That's the message that we are receiving from Archangel Michael, okay? So my Aries friend, I hope you really enjoyed this reading. If you did, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon and comment and show me some love. I would really appreciate you tuning back next time when I do an extensive reading, maybe for love, or just place a request on what exactly do you want to know more, okay? And I would really love to do that. So have a great March and see you until next month. Bye-bye.